Alright, MSG 382, the Modeling Laboratory 2, and today we are going to cover Lesson 16, Camera. Firstly, to get a certain angle for you to render your animation, you obviously should use camera function. Remember, by using storyboard, it will guide you better. There are three types of camera: a target camera, a free camera, and a physical camera. So we will start with target camera. So let us first create a box and three cones. So that should be easy. So what we're going to do is that we're going to create a box. This is going to be the object that we move, and this is actually just going to be the background. So anything like this will be okay. Alright, so something like that. Then create an animation such that the box moves forward and then up. Okay, as a reminder, if you forget, please go through this one. Okay, so I'm going to basically do this one. So firstly, I would set key. Okay, I have to select the object first and also click this set keys. At 50, I'm going to move it forward. So it's something like this. Okay, right, so this is also a set keys, and then here I'm going to move it up. Okay, so it's sort of flying now. Okay, maybe a bit further here. Right, and then I'm going to rotate. So in this case, I'm looking at this side, so I'm going to rotate here, so it's kind of move up here. Oops, I forgot to actually move it to 200. Sorry, so I'll move it to 100. Okay, I will do it again. Okay, I can actually rotate it first and then after that I move up. Okay, that's also work. Okay, now I click set keys. So now you can see that it's actually moving something like this. Okay, so we already go through this one. Okay, now go to create panel and click cameras, and we're going to click target camera. Okay, so over here, camera, and I'm going to click target camera. The next part is that create the camera in the manner of creating a box. Okay, we are doing it like we're creating a box. In this case, I want to create it on top viewport so that I'm gonna be looking at it from the side. So top viewport is over here. I click set keys first to remove the animation mode. Now I'm going to move it back to 0 over 100, and I'm sort of looking at this way. Okay, so something like that. Now you can see that the camera is actually focusing on the object. Okay, to make it easier, I'm going to actually do this one, click stand viewport, and I can actually change this one from perspective to camera 001. So this is actually how I'm looking at. So it's a bit down here. I can actually move a bit up as well if I want to, but it doesn't matter. Okay, this is not the purpose of what we're doing now. Okay, so while selecting camera, not target. Okay, so not this one. While selecting camera, then I want you guys to click animation constraint, look at constraint. So what happened is that the target camera is going to follow. So we are going to click animation constraint, look constraint, animation constraints, look at constraint. Okay, so now you can see look at parameter appears over here. The next part is that we are going to click pick target. Click pick target, and we are going to select the box. So click pick target, and I click select the box. Okay, this actually happens. Okay, nothing happened over here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click camera 1 again. I click pick target, and I click the box. Now it's going to move. So when it moves to the target, now you are doing right. Okay, I also write over here, if it does not work, repeat G and H one more time. Okay, it works if the camera suddenly focuses on the box. Now you can play the animation and you can see that the camera turns as the box turns. Okay, so if I actually play it here, you can see that the camera actually move. Okay, so you have to actually select which viewport you are looking at. So if I'm actually looking at that, so you can see this is actually happening. Now again, I'm making it easier. I put it here. Alright, I click play and then it will move up. So this is actually a very easy way to follow a particular object, which will be helpful when you do your assignment, your presentation. Now, task 16.1, record the video and send it via WhatsApp. Okay, imagining if you are actually back into this mode. Now, to render, we have to click render setup and you will be able to see this one. Click render setup. Okay, there's a lot of different things happening here. So what I want you to do is that you make sure that view to render now is full screen camera 0.01. So because now this is quad 4, this is quad 4 view. Okay, you can see the front left. Now you are looking at full screen camera 001. So by selecting this one, you are actually looking from this particular view, and then you can actually click active time segment, and then I also click save as, and then I can click render soon. So I click save as. In this case, I call it flying box 3. Okay, so flying box 3, I click save. Oh, sorry, change to AVI, save. Okay, you can choose some other codec if you don't have Xvid codecs. Just do not choose uncompressed, because uncompressed is going to be very big. Okay, I click OK now, and then I can click render. Once you finish your rendering, you can actually play it and you can see that. Okay.